Imagine cutting months of medical research down to just weeks. That's exactly what generative AI just did. In a groundbreaking study by UC San Francisco and Wayne State University, AI analyzed massive pregnancy datasets faster, and in some cases more accurately, than expert human teams who had spent months building prediction models. If you're fascinated by AI and its real-world impact, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment below because this story is changing how science is done. The study focused on predicting preterm birth using data from over 1,000 pregnant women. Even a small team, a UCSF master's student and a high school student, used AI to generate working code in minutes, something that normally takes experienced programmers hours or days. Out of 8 AI systems tested, 4 produced models matching or surpassing human performance. Why does this matter? Preterm birth is the leading cause of newborn death in the U.S., with roughly 1,000 babies born prematurely each day. Faster data analysis could improve early diagnosis and patient care, giving doctors and families better chances for healthy outcomes. AI isn't replacing scientists. Experts are still crucial for guiding analysis and verifying results. These tools remove bottlenecks, letting researchers focus on meaningful scientific questions instead of troubleshooting code. In this study, the entire process, from AI analysis to journal submission, took just 6 months, compared to years for traditional methods. This marks a pivotal moment where AI can accelerate medical discovery and potentially save lives. If you want to see how AI can revolutionize research and healthcare, check out the related video in the corner. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. This is just the beginning of what AI can do.